apparently a standout amongst the most vital resellers exchange updates any Tesla proprietor can make is the establishment of a multi-channel dashcam arrangement that records action on both the front and back of the vehicle. Tesla proprietor and YouTuber MacTechGenius shared a video highlighting a consistent establishment performed by Calibred Customs of a BlackVue DR750S-2CH Full HD dashcam on a Model 3. In the event that the name Calibred Customs rings a ringer, that is on account of the Southern California-based firm is viewed as one of the debut installers for dashcam and sound frameworks in a Tesla, overhauling clients over the United States. One may review that the proprietor of Calibred Customs, Johnny, helped Teslarati in the past on the task including the establishment of a BlackVue dashcam arrangement in a Model X. As indicated by MacTechGenius, Johnny educated him that the dashcam establishment for the Model 3 would be more mind-boggling than the Model S and Model X, primarily because of the vehicle's preferred inside quality over its bigger kin. The keep running of wire associating the two Camrys of the BlackVue 750S was bolstered behind Model 3's back seat boards, along the main event, and behind the entryway seal. To abstain from meddling with the Model 3's numerous airbags, Calibred Customs selected to expel different boards of the Model 3, a procedure that was discretionary on both the Model S and Model X. Beginning from the back of the vehicle and working your way up to the front of the vehicle, running wire is comparative in nature to the BlackVue establishment we did on the Model S, however turned around. The lodging for the rear-view reflection of the Model 3 is more hardy in outline than the plastic lodging found on the Model S and Model X, in this way requiring cautious expulsion of boards, clasps and parts close to the get-together. The power wellspring of the Model 3 dashcam unit was associated specifically to the auto's 12-volt battery situated at the base in the windshield. An elastic grommet can be uncovered by lifting the covering in the traveler footwell. This is the place you'll be bolstering the power lead for the BlackVue Camry 2 Model 3's 12-volt battery. While a few proprietors might be worried that by having a consistent wellspring of energy for the camera, superfluous battery deplete may happen when the vehicle is put away for a drawn-out stretch.